Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discussion topic for the Ordinal Logistic Regression in R. So the how to analyze the Ordinal Logistic Regression in RStudio. The Ordinal Logistic Regression is a statistical technique used to when the dependent variable is ordinal, meaning it has the category which a meaningful order, but the intervals between the categories are not necessarily equal. OLR, Ordinal Logistic Regressions, models the relationship between one or more independent variables, predictors, and an ordinal outcome variables. So the key concept of the Ordinal Logistic Regression in RStudio, the ordinal dependent variables. Examples include the blood pressure response, example for the normal, pre-hypertension and hypertensions. Then independent variable for the ordinal logistic regressions. Those can be continuous and category or mix or both of. Okay, open the RStudio software. First of all, install the packages for the mass packages. If you already installed this mass packages, so skip the installation sections and continue the library part. So if you not installed the mass packages, so enter the command for the install the package. Install the package, enter the commands for the mass, then click enter. So if you already installed, then click to the OK. So the reinstalled the packages for the mass packages is successfully installed the package. So next one command for the active for the mass package. So the library mass. So now active for the library packages in analyzed for the ordinal logistic regression in R. So next one for the data import method. So now we take the data for the ordinal logistic regressions in RStudio, the patient data, then total the number of taken the patient for the 1 to 30. So next one for the category, the independent category for the age. So the minimum age for the 30 and the maximum age for the 72, the different category of age level in the data set. So the next one, the independent variable for the gender, the factor for the F and M. So the F is a female and M is a male. So the next one for the blood pressure factor is a dependent variable. So three type of blood pressures. So the normal, pre-hypertension and hypertensions. Then your data is order or unordered, then no problem. Then another one method for the automatically converted in the data in order. So I already arranged for the order method in the normal and pre-hypertension and hypertensions. So the data directly copy paste method in import to the RStudio software. So select the data, then copy. So you paste the data. So click to the enter. So our data is activated. So the next one, the commands for the converter the order factor method in the RStudio. So if in the data, because our data for the normal, pre-hypertension, the hypertension is order method, and unordered method for the hypertension, the normal or pre-hypertension is a unordered method. So enter the commands for the order method. So they enter the command. Then next one method for the arrange to the data in ordinal logistic regression model. So enter the command, then model, then click to the enter. Then next one for the summary. So the summary of the result section in the ordinal logistic regressions in RStudio for our data. So enter the command is a summary model. Then click to the enter. So our result is analyzed for the ordinal logistic regressions. So the first for the coefficients value, the age and gender resulted for the male. So the value, the standard error and t values. So value for the age factor 0.02 and the standard error 0.03 and t value 0.75 at the general m. So the coefficients value for the value 0.39, the standard error 0.68 and t value 0.56. The intercept value for the normal and prehypertension's value 0.73, the standard error value 1.75 and the t value 0.14. The prehypertension and hypertension's intercept value, so 2.15, the standard error 1.79 and the t value 1.19. The residual deviations value, the 65.13 and AAC value 73.13. So the next one for the computing for the significance in the data set. So enter the command in the significance command. How to find the significance value in the ordinal logistic regressions the data. So enter the command. So find for the significance in the ordinal logistic regression in RStudio. So the age significance value 0.44 and the general M the significant value 0.57 and the normal prehypertension and hypertensions. So the normal and prehypertensions the significance value 0.98 and the prehypertension the hypertension significance value 0.82. So this is for the analyzing in the ordinal logistic regression in RStudio in our data. So the patient data, the blood pressure, normal, prehypertension and hypertensions, and the full code of the R code, the upload for our Blacker page, then link for the Blacker page link mentioned to the this video description box, and the interpretation of the analyzing result in ordinal logistic regression in RStudio. I will upload for the another one video. If you any doubt on analyzing in the ordinal logistic regression in RStudio, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you want this code, visit to our Blacker page, and if you support to our Blacker page. Thank you for watching this video.